Hi, I'm Joel from the Weber Kettle Club barbecue team. Today I'll be cooking salmon with herb butter and crispy shallots. It's going to be epic. To me, seafood is one of the most underrated things to cook on a barbecue. We all cook steaks, chops, briskets, but salmon, it's so quick and easy, light and fresh, you can't beat it. What you'll need is a 1 kilo piece of salmon. I've had mine deboned. To prepare the salmon, we're going to create a foil boat. The foil boat will help to keep the juices locked in around the meat. The next step is to season with salt and pepper and then lay lemon slices on top. So now we're ready to put the salmon into the SmokeFire. It's set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and today we're using applewood, and I've set the timer for 20 minutes. So while the salmon's in the smoker, we're going to create our herb butter and crispy shallots. Over medium heat in a saucepan, add 50 grams of butter and 2 shallots finely diced, and let's cook them till they start to golden. Then add 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped, and half a cup of fresh herbs of your choice. Today I'll be using parsley. Our herb butter is ready to go. We're about 20 minutes into cooking the salmon. Our next step is to pour the shallot and herb butter over our salmon, and we'll leave it in there for another 20 minutes. Okay, so we've had the salmon in for about 40 minutes now. I personally like to take my salmon to about 145. I normally probe in the thickest part of the salmon, and we're just about there, so let's have a look at it. Holy Aquaman, look at that salmon, it looks awesome. Let's go, the final step, we're going to drizzle some grilled lemon straight over the top. Now you can serve as is, and it's a beautiful dish, but personally, I prefer to serve it on some crackers with some mayonnaise, a little bit of basil in there, just finish it off with a little bit of garnish of dill on top. Absolutely magic.